Hello and welcome to Miniature Motion. Friends, do you know how this mosquito coil of Moteen is made in the factory? Plus, do you know how Lux and Lifebuoy soap is made? And why the whole world uses the football made in Pakistan? Well, in today's video, I will show you the manufacturing process of things that are used daily, so let's begin. Friends, as it is the season of summer these days, a thick coil is used in every house. But do you know how this coil is made and how mosquitoes die from it? Well, this coil is made with a special type of powder. There are some chemicals in this powder that are lethal to mosquitoes. First of all, this powder is put in a machine. Its paste is made with the help of water in this machine. After this, another machine is used to press this paste and bring it in the shape of a thin sheet. Then a machine cuts this sheet into a spiral shape, which gives it the shape of a coil. Then these coils are kept in order to dry. When the material dries well, it is packed in a box and sent to the market. And they are ready to kill mosquitoes in our houses. Friends, spoons and forks are used with almost every food. Mostly this kitchen cutlery is made of metal and its process is very simple. To make these, first of all, a thick sheet of stainless steel is used. This sheet is put in a cutting machine, which cuts it into the shape of a spoon and starts putting these flat spoons in a container. After this, these flat spoons are polished through a rolling machine. When these spoons shine, the workers hold each spoon and put it in the pressing machine, which deepens the spoon. This same process is also done with a fork. When these spoons and forks are ready, a laser design is made on their handles. The worker puts these spoons one by one under the laser machine, and the selected design starts printing on them. Well, this process is really very satisfying. Football. Friends, if you are a football enthusiast, then you must know that Pakistan is the only country in the world where 70% of the world's football is used. Even in the FIFA World Cup, matches are played with Pakistani football. But do you know how this world-famous football of Pakistan is made? Well, this football making starts with the processing of hard rubber. This rubber is used to make the layer inside the football. This rubber ball is baked in a steam machine to make it strong. When it becomes an inner ball, the top design of the ball is cut in the shape of a pentagon and a hexagon. A football is made by combining 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons. The interesting thing is that to make high-quality footballs, workers sew these footballs by hand. But for ordinary footballs, a sewing machine is used. When they are sewn, a rubber ball is put inside them and the football is ready. Not only this, but they are also tested by hitting 2,000 shots in a machine to check their strength. After this, they are taken out of the air and sent for packing. Fair and Lovely. Friends, Fair and Lovely is one of the most famous beauty creams in Pakistan. But do you know how this cream is made in the company? Well, the process of making this beauty cream starts with milk. First of all, fresh milk is added to a large mixer. After this, citric acid, alcohol, glycerin, mineral oil, carbapor, and many such ingredients are added to this milk and cooked. When all these things are mixed well, they cook and take the shape of a thick and white cream. The smell of this cream and many chemicals added to it are such that only the company knows, which is added to this mixer by the employees. When this cream is ready, it is filled in the tubes of Fair and Lovely and sent for packaging. Bangles. Friends, no matter how modern the world is, every girl in the world still wears bangles. But do you know how these colorful and attractive bangles are made in the factory? Well, to make bangles, first of all, the glass is melted in the furnace. After that, this cooked glass is lifted from an iron rod and color and pigment are added to it. Then this hot glass is brought in order on a roller, where it starts rolling like a wire. When it rolls and cools down a bit, then with the help of a small diamond, all these bangles are cut and separated from each other. When each bangle is separated, it cools down, and the decoration process begins. This design is made on the bangles by hand. Even workers put each diamond and shine separately on each bangle. When these bangles are ready after the design, they are collected in the form of bundles so that they do not break during transportation. After this, these bangles are ready to be sold in the market. China slippers. Friends, China's slippers are such an item that every person in Pakistan uses. The reason for this is that these shoes are very cheap and reliable. Well, these shoes are made with a simple method. To make them, a special rubber called Ava is used. This rubber is not one, but is available in many colors. First of all, this raw rubber is heated to a high temperature and melted, due to which it comes in liquid form. After this, the work of putting it in the iron tubes made of slippers starts. After filling this melted rubber in these tubes, it comes in the shape of a slipper. After this, a special kind of spray is applied on them, so that it is easy to separate the slipper from the mold. Well, as soon as these slippers come out of the tube, a plastic frame is placed inside them so that their shape does not deteriorate and they are left to cool. After this, printing or designing is done on them. And in this way, China's world-famous shoes are ready to be sold in the market. Toy plane. Friends, every child likes these small planes of metal. Especially the children who want to become pilots will definitely buy this toy. Well, small designs of the plane are printed on the metal sheet to make this toy. Then this sheet is cut and put in a pressing machine where the planes are made. These plates bend the sheet at the exact place of the print, which prepares the plane. Another machine cuts the extra metal attached to this toy. The lower part of the plane is made of plastic, which includes tires and gears. When these two parts are made, a worker joins them together with the help of a page, and this toy is packed and ready to go to the children.